Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Economics problems like this graph are actually super simple to solve quickly. Let's find the profit maximizing point and identify the firm's market status together. First, we locate where marginal revenue equals marginal cost to find the profit maximizing quantity. On this graph, that intersection happens exactly at Q1, which is our target production level. Next, we move up from Q1 to the demand curve to find the price. Since the price P1 is higher than marginal cost, we know this firm is imperfectly competitive. At Q1, price P1 exceeds average total cost. This gap confirms the firm is earning a positive economic profit. Well done! Option D is correct. Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush. Trust the given intersection points.